Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to make a fraction in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Docs and here we can already see which two options I have to make fractions in Google Docs. The first option is by superscripting and subscripting numbers. First I select the numerator of the fraction, click on Format, Text and Superscript. I now do the same with the denominator of the fraction, but this time I use Format, Text and Subscript. And that's the first way to use fractions in Google Docs. For the second way, I first go to a place where I want to insert my fraction in Google Docs. And now I click on Insert and Equation. Now I get a small input window and at the top of the display bar a selection of mathematical display options. We click on the Math Operations and select Fractions. Now we are in the numerator of our fraction that I can enter here. I could now click with the mouse in the denominator of the fraction, but I can also do this by using the right arrow key. And now I press right again to enter the rest of my mathematical equation. And this way I can make fractions in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!